Good evening. Well, we're here in the Intercontinental Hotel in Warsaw. I have the great pleasure to be chatting away about some of our famous home products here. This is actually a bottle of malt whisky. This is Benromach malt whisky from Forres up in the Speyside. We're very pleased to be here at this excellent conference of the awards, and my particular job, I've been appointed by the Scottish Government as Trade Envoy to Poland, and I see my position as promoting some of the Scottish industries. As you can see, the most popular one is the one I have here in my hand. Our industry, Scotch whisky, in fact, is one of our biggest exports. We export £4.2 billion worth of whisky per year. Our second biggest export, in fact, is tourism. And in fact, we have a great number of tourists coming from Poland and from all over the world to visit us here in Scotland. Sorry, not there, in Scotland. Prior to that, we also are very, very keen to encourage people to invest in Scotland. We have a number of very unique opportunities. Particularly, one of our skills, in fact, is in the offshore wind engineering, where we have just launched the first ever floating wind farm just off Peterhead on the east coast of Scotland. This is a huge project which these floating turbines will provide power for 22,000 homes in Scotland.